accident and emergency. Vaping until we
So today I'm going to a forest. I'm not sure which forest I'm going to. I'm gonna go and pick a friend up now, and we're gonna go and explore, go and get stoned, go and see some new places, I guess. So I'm gonna take the GoPro along, and I guess we're gonna see what type of places we can find in the area which are good for getting stoned in. So my dosing capsule mix today, I've got some Pineapple Express Harley Quinn CBD mix from Hemp Hash, which I'm actually testing at the moment to review on. I've also got some Amnesia, which is just THC flower, and I've also got some THC Blues hash. This is almost like pollen pretty much, if you can see that. Really nice, strong THC high off this one. So we got 2 THC and then we've got 1 CBD. So we'll be going through these throughout the day and hopefully getting super stoned. Got our Mighty charging right now. So we're gonna load our little dosing capsule carrier up. And we're gonna get out of here.
On the tour, stoner right to my core. I vape strains until I like comatose on the floor. Me and Eddie, like rock steady. And bebop vaping the medley. Eyelids heavy. I coast and float away on the cloud. I'm stoned, I'm fucking proud. My house roof is tin, the rain and my strains are loud. And I'm happy with dreads nappy. And your bitch calling me pappy. Because we're just the shit without a nappy, bitch.
Look at this. This is gonna be fun. Woo.
I got it all
Another log. Ethan's done base cleanup. Got a sweeping brush and everything.
and yeah, once we've collected a bit.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world.
I can't believe how much it tastes like orange.
Camping.
It just tastes like
Orange peel.
Saying how they do. They're really saying I love you.
Yeah, if one of us slipped now, it would make great YouTube content. So, someone take one for the team. Whoa, nearly went. Yeah, it is. Back to camp.
Try and get a go in there.
Let's get the mighty out.
Lovely fire luck.
Yes.
If you can go all the way down, I'll be impressed. That's it. Nice. One.
That was a full one. That went right down then.
That was good. Nice. That's three. Yes, last one.